nathi asibuke siphoze sizibuze ukuthi mina ikuphi la ngenza khona wrong, ikuphi lana mina ngenza khona, and actually not realize ukuthi this is not the path for me. Take a stand now for yourself and actually fix impilo yakho and see ukuthi if you try a different approach izinto zakho azizuqonda na noma azizuhamba in the direction that you wish for it to go. Yes, it may take time for izinto zakho ukuthi zilunge, but once you start by fixing yourself nawe without having to blame ukuthi ezinye izinto azenzeke empilweni yami because I don't have so and so, noma I don't have ubaba, noma akukho umuntu ongisupportayo. The fact that when you are pushing and you are not limiting yourself kwezinye izinto and you are hustling and pushing on and uzitshelile ukuthi ngizozama ngiyoze ngiphumelele, it should be enough. But it starts with you mntana sekhaya. It starts with you ukuthi nawe awukuzibuze ukuthi ikuphi la kumele ngilungise khona izinto zami zizokwazi ukuthi zihambe ngendlela. Ngoba sizohlezi sizithola siblame abanye abantu, siblame izinto the way zingahambi ngakhona because bangenza 1 2 3, and yet thina asikakazibheki sizicheck ukuthi kahle kahle yini mina engimele ngiyenze ehlukile. Mawukuthi umuntu ohlezi avumela abantu to walk all over your head, then maybe it's about time you change that and give less access to people that don't need to be empilweni yakho. Uma umuntu who's always listening to those negative voices that tell you ukuthi awungeke ukwazi ukwenza lokhu, then it's about time you actually take a pause and take a stand and say it's enough now. I'm no longer listening to those voices.